Morning, everybody. All Black Bell Loft. I'm just going to do a video this morning. Won a bird at auction, and just got a call from the post office. It's not even 7 in the morning, and it's already at the post office. So, I'm going to take a ride and go get it. All right, about almost 7:30. On my way back from the post office with the box. Stopped and got a coffee, a sizzling sandwich from Wawa. So when I get home, I'll do the unboxing and check the bird out. All right, so we got the box back to the house. This bird came from James from Robertson Family Racing Loft. His YouTube channel, check it out if you haven't. He's got some really nice birds. There's a bird 278, Macaloni bird that he has in his loft that I've been eyeballing for a while. He hasn't sold any birds, but from that pairing yet. But he put them up on on iPigeon auction site for the Abby auction, which is the money's going straight to Abby for her fight with cancer. So between that and my birthday being on the 11th of this month, I figured I could justify bringing another bird into the house, and I really wanted this one. So luckily enough, won the bid, and here it is. Shipped it out yesterday, and they called me 6:50 or 6:45 in the morning coming to pick it up. So already cut the seal. One of the bigger boxes I haven't seen before. Very nice looking bird. Pintail. That's band number 4153. Feels really nice. Nice eye, which never shows up on the camera. See the wing trembling there? I don't know if I caught it on camera. Bird feels great. Excited to have him in the loft now. I just got to find a good quality hen to meet him up with. See if I can come around and get closer on the camera. Beautiful bird. Thanks, James. Really excited to have this one in the loft. Looks great. Feather quality is awesome. Nice tail. Got a section to put him in for quarantine for a little bit, and then he'll go in the breeding loft. So thanks again. Got the bird out in the section that's going to be in until it can be put in a breeder pen. So I figure I'd take the water out to it and do a little update video of what's been going on here. So we'll go over here first before we go into the homers. This was my goat barn, but my daughters and I decided to get rid of the goats. The only thing in this pasture now is these pilgrim geese, which are really cool. So I got a male and 2 females, which want to eat. But yeah, so we turned this goat barn, of course, into a London loft, because you can never have enough space. So this barn door you can open up. Now wire front of it so they can get air. A little Sputnik trap. I want to fly on birds. Right now, I have my satin nuts in here. That one in the middle is one of the breeders. That's one I'm keeping. And right there's one of the last 2 tipplers that I have. I'm going to get more for this loft, but these were given to me, so I got that one. That one. All the other ones, I lost a couple for hawks, and to settle them because they had to be resettled to here. So what I got going on here. That goes out to the Sputnik. Got a drop trap. If I want to fly the tipplers out of here, I can use that. So. And I'm going to put sand down on the floor right now. It's just the dirt, which Jersey dirt is sand for the most part. So it's not the worst. It's just a little dusty. That's the satin nuts and the tipplers. And then we'll go to the barn. That's a settling cage up there in the landing board, but I gotta put the other settling cage on, so that new bird can go outside. Which I guess I can name, because since it's going to be in the breeding loft, but I have to think of ideas for that if anybody's got ideas. So these are breeders. I have them leg band. So I'm going to try to go in and see if they don't freak out. I haven't color matched leg bands, so for instance, those 2 up there are grizzles that I got from Jack Burak's loft. These 2 are a pair. Black Eagle from Rocky Ridge, Mike. And a blue bar, nice blue bar I got from president of my club. Then this bird here is Ganis family loft bird, or from Ganis family loft bird, Dwyer's loft. Made it to that hen. that one on the left to that one there. No, I'm sorry, that's a pink panther. Dunbars. They're a pair. And those two in the middle, the check and the red check, they're a pair. I really like them. And this one and that one sit with the black eagle. I think they're a pair. And there's two dark checks, the cock on the left and the hen on the right, they're a pair. So I got a couple pairs to start with. Don't really have ideal nest boxing setups. I got two there. I got these two boxes, which are more of what I need. And then I got two in the corner that they're building nests in. And then I just set up this shelving unit. I'm gonna put something on the sides here. And there's two nest boxes in there. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And right now I have 7 pairs in here. So, with this new cockbird, I'll find him a hen, and then eventually breed out of him, but no rush on that. But turn the lights on in here. I guess it's been about a week, so the action's picking up. Everybody's made it up. They're picking nest boxes. They're building nests. So that's exciting. It's my first year breeding, so I'm really excited. I'm getting a really early start, but like I just want to be ahead of time, have as much time as I can to train, deal with any problems I have. But these are a couple birds. But I just have separated because they're another grizzle, a silver cockbird. I got these separated because they're droppings. They're droppings. They're a little suspect. Not like I want them, so. But got them separated because everybody was a little loose droppings. And then I started separating birds out, and those were the last 3 really that haven't come along. So I'm isolating them, giving them some digestive from Versalaga, apple cider vinegar. That red check, oh, of course she flies away. That red check there is from those breeders downstairs. The red check and the blue check. The 2 on either side there, the checkers are from my race team. Left from the race team, they're the last 2 that I kept. And then in the middle is a female black eagle from Mike at Rocket Ridge. And then on this side, with the whole section to himself, is our new bird. Which I'm really liking. Seems very relaxed with all that's been going on, so super excited to have him. Put a water in here. What are you doing up here, cat? Get out here. Come on, go. Got water, some Jivati grit, and I'll feed them later. So that's really all that's going on here. Not many birds left for old birds after I weeded through everybody and pulled the few late hatches that I had that I wanted to try breeding. So we'll see if how they breed, but yeah, always changing this up. So I put the quarantine birds over there. Little section for feeding and watering. A buddy of mine gave me a wash sink, so I just got to pipe that in. And then that'll be super convenient. I moved my feeding and watering inside because of the cold. But, come on, cat. All right, so that's about all I got going on here. I'm gonna get these guys some water, but thanks for watching. Just wanted to do an update of what's been going on here because I haven't done a video, and this was a perfect time getting a new bird. So hope everybody has a good holiday, and thanks for watching.